a lot of my ego offer is honestly eto dike na nke ome omekwa ọzọ. Whether it's ego offer otu, it's not na chola if I get it. It's more like I cannot the rich na I cannot the rich guy freedom, like things, breath, oxygen, like no, I no get quanta, no wahala, like I cannot the rich eto dike na nke ome omekwa ọzọ. Daalụ ọra agwụ na ọ na-ebutelo na ọ na-ekwelo ka ndị olu agwụ na ka olu agwụ kpasasịa m ihe. Daalụ arọ na ekwelo ka ife ifele na-eme m. Daalụ ndị mmiri fọ ibutere m ezigbo ife, ezigbo ndị si na mmiri, ezigbo connections na si na mmiri, ezigbo egwu si na mmiri. Daalụ ụmụ ọkpụ nne m fa for guiding your child. Daalụ nụ ndị ichie, daalụ nụ na yota, daalụ nụ for ndụ nna m, daalụ nụ for maka yotago maka until your father pass before you know wetin him dey do for you, if you know dey wise. Oram, daalụ nụ. Even when I want kill animal, say I want offer sacrifice to my chi, I'm not saying na ana m egburu gị ọka, ana m egburu gị ewu a for ka iwe butelu m ego nwa. No, daalụ. Ekene dịrị Chukwu, ekene dịrị unu, ekene dịrị Ezumezu. Daalụ. Okay, I'd use Holy Ezumezu do a God for this morning and it's been a second. And bro, like I just did so amazed, like yo bro, where the hell did this come from? I had never done anything like that and it just did amazing. Like where it come from? Daalụ. Eto dike na nke ome omekwa ọzọ. Inu Igbo go everything for Igbo person guy. Daalụ. So if I dey kill animal now, if I dey offer animal to anybody now, to chi, to ndị mmiri, I know they go there, go they beg, give me Aza, we go pay me money. Like I can't do I meet for water one day, just they shout. And they are Ogo, are no Bukwarani for one, and they are someone acquire Ogo. Nothing like that for my reasoning, guy. My own Daalụ. More Daalụ. I dey grateful, gratitude, Daalụ. Mine be my own. Oh yeah, me now I leave child where I just want finish for upstairs. Where I did very grateful for, because as I just warm the child finish put on for this, I just be like one more see child again. Guy, I just did grateful, so now I go chop. Obinago ndembo nandi egede Obinago.